Hey, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Today's presentation is going to be about ceiling radiation dampers. I want to give you a quick little introduction. There's static ceiling radiation dampers that are approved for use on lay-in type ceilings, T-bar type ceilings. There are static ceiling radiation dampers approved for use in sheetrock, we call those hard ceilings. Then there's ceiling radiation dampers, this is brand new, that are approved for use in dynamic systems. And that's just a fancy way of saying if the heating and air conditioning system doesn't cycle off during an event like a fire, if that blower remains running, these products are going to have to close while that blower is running. So UL has a new way to test for dynamic ceiling radiation dampers. These are brand new, you guys. This is a DynaGuard dynamic ceiling radiation damper. We've got them available in a dual blade butterfly type design, and we've also got the single blade that you can see here. The assembly that these are approved for use with is the M557. So if you see an M557 requirement, if you're looking at the International Mechanical Code, you see a requirement for dynamic ceiling radiation dampers. These are the products you can use. Now, as far as inspectors, what makes this easy for inspectors is the labels. So we're going to show you some examples of labels. We have our standard labels for the lay-in type ceilings, then we have the hard ceiling labels. They show the HC dampers, and then we have the DynaGuard dynamic. So when the inspector sees those, that they're listed to UL's requirement for dynamic dampers, then we're good to go. Now, when I mentioned that it was code required, there are alternative methods. And so what we contend is that instead of having to use a smoke detector at each one of your locations of your ceiling radiation dampers or smoke detectors in each room, and that's going to take extra wire and extra labor. What we're contending is this is a cost-effective alternative to those alternate methods. So using a dynamic rated ceiling radiation damper makes it quick and easy for the inspector. Thanks for tuning in. If you have questions, you want to leave us a comment, you can do that. If you want to go visit our website, we've got additional supporting information there, and you can always give us a call as well. All right, bye for now.